Hello developers, are you getting this error in your code? Like cannot get URL or not found error? When you try to access any URL in your code, then you will get this error cannot get URL. So why you are getting this error? First we need to understand this. Like if I try to fetch any route, then I am getting the same error cannot get and not found data. So for this, first you need to understand how React DOM packages work or React Native DOM packages work. So how routing packages work means. So they work like when we first install our app, and when the we first run our app on browser, then we will get our route and data from server, so we will see our data on the screen. But when we try to switch between the routes, then we will get cannot get URL, and in console we will get not found error, get request localhost and not found error. Okay, so why we are getting this error? So see how how DOM packages work. They normally request server to fetch our routes data. Okay, and because we haven't set a server yet, so we are getting not found error. Okay, and if if we want to switch our between the routes on client side, okay, on client side, so we need to hash our routes first. Okay, see, normally DOM packages or routing packages request server to fetch our routes, but if we want to switch our routes on the client side, we need to hash our routes, so that router packages will take control of our routes and handle it in the client side. Got it? So for this we need to hash our routes. See, we have hash here, and how to hash this, let's see in the Visual Studio Code. Let's go in the Visual Studio Code. I'm here in my Visual Studio Code. See, I am using native router. You may be probably using browser router or something else. Because I'm working on native app, React Native app, so I'm using native router. But I'm getting this error, right? Cannot get URL. Why? Because I haven't used hash router for this. So I need to use hash router. I need to uncomment this file and comment this one, and I need to use this hash router in my here, like here. I need to replace this with hash router, and I need to save this file. Okay, so let's go to the browser and see we are using hash router now, and we are getting the data on the route. Like if I try to switch between the routes, so see we are getting the data now. It is working really very fine when we are using hash router. Okay, so if you are getting these two errors, cannot get and in the console not found error, so you need to use hash router instead of browser router, native router, and more other than this. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Comment some nice words for me. If you want, I will make such more videos on errors. See, I watch there are a lot of videos related to tutorials on the YouTube, but they are not providing solution for errors. Like if we are if we are new to development, or we are a developer, right? We get errors. right? And we don't know sometimes why we are getting these errors, and we waste lot of our time in finding solution for this. Okay, so I am on the initiative to make videos on errors I'm getting, and I will provide solution for this. I am trying to solve problems. Okay, I'm not saying that I will solve all your problems, but I am trying to solve little problems that you can watch my video, and you can solve that error quickly, and you will save like 2 or 5 or 7 hours to finding the solution on the Google, right? So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please hit a like button if you like. Okay.